Yes. Now this is for you. Yes?
Yes.
Look. Hey. Make it water. Make on water. Make on water.
This?
Yes. This. Which color this? Brown or this color? Maybe?
Maybe.
Orange. How do you like? Look, look. Yeah, nice. See? No, 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 no. This ice cream is different color. This is brown. Look, now, hey, clean your brush and make like this. Clean your brush on this, yeah. Clean it well. Again, okay. Now choose other color what you prefer.
We did.
Okay. Use different color. Can use different color. Now I will use this.
Maybe I will use it.
See, look. See how nice?
Yeah.
And now I need this. And this color.
I need this.
Wait, finish this. Look, look,
I'm
look,
finished.
look. We make like this.
Make try too.
Look,
Make try.
make like this, make like this. Like lines here from this one. From this, yeah. And make lines, Yeah, like this, yes, yes. And yes, yes. Ah, yes. See? How nice. And here we have both. Show them like this. Show them. Like this. See?
You see?
And now we will make some string.
Something to test them.
Yeah.
Together.
Yes. We use string.
For the holes.
We use string.
But for the Spider-Man underneath. For Spider-Man underneath.
We make like this.
The need
this.
for Spider-Man.
And we fix this.
The need for Spider-Man and more.
We fix this like that. Like that.
And then need Spider-Man.
Yeah. Like that.
And this? Like
that. This is to use it for a book. This is book marker. How nice? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Show it to them. Okay, I will make another for you.
And
Wait.
But I will show them this.
Yeah.
to them. I will show it to them.
This is ice cream. This is markers from Nicholas. See?
They try
Look,
Spider-Man.
look. Nice.
Yeah, nice.
Show it to them. Show it to them.
How
Show
nice
it to them.
it is.
How nice. See?
Nice.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I had another one.